Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So today I have a little thrift store haul for you. I went to Goodwill the other day and believe it or not, I actually found quite a few things. I'm not really one to go to Goodwill a whole lot. My grandma really loves that store, so I do take her there sometimes, and usually I just sit in the car because it's not really my favorite place to go, but I decided to go in and I'm so glad that I did because I racked up. I think I spent a total of like $7, maybe even less than that, and I made out pretty good. So if you want to see what I found, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing that I found was this little honeycomb design right here, the core piece. This I actually paid only 59 cents for. I feel like this is a really awesome find. It is 12 inches, so that is a pretty large decoration. And normally if you got something like this, you could get it at Dollar Tree for $1 sometimes, but normally they wouldn't be about that big. If you went to Walmart though, I'd say you're looking at about $2, maybe $3 for it, maybe $1.50, it just depends. But I felt like for 59 cents, I was not about to pass this up, and I'm so excited that I didn't. And then they had these two little hanging guys right here. These were actually 99 cents a piece, and I'm pretty sure the sign said that they were from Big Lots. I already took the tag off, but I'm about 100% positive that they came from Big Lots, and they were like $1 a piece. So still, even though you're not saving a ton of money, you are saving 2 cents. So I did go ahead and pick these up as well. And I thought these were super cute, and I could see these hanging from the ceiling. I feel like that's going to be so fun. So then I found this little bag of skulls right here. There's quite a few in here. There's 12. And the original price on these was $3.99. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that was the original price, and I got them for $1.99. So I saved $2 there. And I've not seen anything like this at Dollar Tree just yet. Maybe I will and regret buying this, but I don't feel like I'll regret it anyways, because you can never have too many skulls, right? Like, you gotta have them. And then I found some little critters right here. So these were 59 cents, and there are 12 in here. I thought that was a really good buy, because even if you bought these at Dollar Tree, you're still going to be paying $1 for them. These were actually $1.97 at Walmart, so I saved over $1 on these. And then they had these little bats right here, and I paid 99 cents for these, and they were originally $1.97. So again, I saved almost $1 on this too, which I thought was awesome. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with these yet. I'm debating on whether I want to put them in my son's goodie bags for school, or if I want to use them for decorations. I'm not really sure on that just yet, but I will let you guys know later on. But either way, I was not about to pass them up because they were a really good price. And that was everything that I purchased from Goodwill. So I think that I made out like a champ. Like, if you went to the Halloween store, or if you went to Walmart or Kmart or anywhere else, you would pay so much more for these decorations than what I paid. They didn't have a whole lot more left. They did have like a door sign hanger, but I feel like you can get those at Dollar Tree for $1, and it was 99 cents, and it wasn't really one that I would have wanted anyways. So I did pass up on that. And they had a couple little treat bags. Where did I put those? And then I also went ahead and picked up these little treat bags right here. These are from Dollar General, it looks like, and they were originally $1, and I got them for 59 cents. And I thought these were adorable, so I did go ahead and pick those up. And these are going to be his little treat bags for school. If I find a bargain, you better believe that I'm going to not only take advantage of that bargain, but I'm going to share it with everybody that I can to help them out too. Because if you can save money, why wouldn't you? If you're going to get same awesome quality products, why not save a little bit at the same time, and then you have that much more money to spend on other things to make your child's life that much better. You know what I'm saying? Like, he is going to flip his lid. He's not going to care that I only paid 50 cents for this stuff. He's not going to care where it came from. All he's going to care about is how awesome his Halloween party is going to be and how cool the stuff was that Mommy found. He does not care about prices or anything like that. and I personally am ecstatic that I didn't have to spend a fortune on it, and I know he's going to love it anyways. That is everything that I found, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Let me know what you guys would like to see next on my channel, and I will try my best to make it happen. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.